Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MetaTrader 5 with IC markets in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to download and install the MT5 application on your device. Once you have done that, you need to log in into your IC markets account. You can do it via the IC markets application on your device or with the help of IC markets web browser. So here, once you are inside your IC markets account, you are going to get your MT5 login credentials. So after getting those, you need to first of all copy the server. Then simply come inside your MT5 app. Over here, tap on the option of add trading account. Now use the search bar and you need to simply search or paste that particular server. It should be exact that server which you have received from your IC markets account. After that, you just have to tap on its icon when you are able to find it in the list. Now, you need to provide your login credentials. That includes the login ID and the password. These two you are also going to get in your IC Markets account. So after getting these, simply paste them here one by one. Here you can select whether it is a demo account or MT5 1, 2 or 4. So after selecting it, simply tap on the option of login. And once you log in into your account, you will be able to basically trade bunch of different indices or forex pairs or commodities over here inside your MT5 account. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.